Today I bought a pair of Softbox lighting systems because I feel that I'm doing more and more self-tapes at home and on the go, and I don't own like a professional studio, so like I found that my lighting is pretty Yep, so I thought it was about time that I actually invested in a professional lighting equipment. For those of you who want to purchase these Softbox lighting systems, don't go on Google or Amazon and type Softbox because it will come up with literally disturbing looking soft boxes for sale. So always type in Softbox lighting or Softbox lighting equipment or whatever. So I ordered mine from Amazon and it's here, and I'm gonna open it up. Okay. It says new here. It better be new. Limostudio. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. I'm assuming this is the carry bag. Another Limostudio. I'm assuming these are stands. Best quality supplies for professional photographers. Well, I'm not a professional photographer, but you know, well, I hope they don't sue me because I'm not a professional photographer. How to install. I like pictures, so that's good. Keep this card, it says. Broken, defective, and shipping problem. I guess you're supposed to call Julius. He'll fix everything, apparently. Oh, so the stands are in here. Second one. I'm assuming these are the light bulbs because it has the voltage and the wattage on it. These are actually huge. I didn't expect it to be this big. That's what she said. And the second bulb. These are the official contents. We've got the bulbs, the carry bag, the umbrella thingies, the manual, and the stands. I'm gonna see how long it actually takes for me to assemble this. Hopefully not too long. So this is the first thing they want me to do. Spread open the legs. Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, go. Okay, that took me roughly 9 minutes to assemble. Had a little problem tightening the screws for these. I was doing it completely wrong, so this is my first time, so maybe next time it'll take maybe less than 7 minutes probably. But there we go. Okay. So, pretty impressed with the height. This is as tall as it goes, which is an extra head taller than myself. And I'm 5'10". So pretty impressed with that. But my biggest issue is the cable length. Because look at this. It's just way too short. If I stretch my arm out, it's actually shorter than my arm stretched out. So look, I can't reach. And the thing just fell to the floor. Did you see what I'm trying to say? It doesn't reach the extension cable. Like, it's just way short, way too short. My second problem with this is these clips here, these plastic clips. They're not exactly, they don't feel or look high quality, so if I tighten it too much, I feel that the plastic will actually. I recommend you guys not tightening this too hard. I also wish the stand itself would be a little bit longer, because compared to the actual Softbox, the stand, I feel it's too short. So like just a little nudge and it already sort of tips over. I guess they wanted to make it portable, so they had to compensate for the leg stand length. I don't know, but I just wish it was a bit longer. Here's without the softbox. Here's with the softbox. Hopefully there's a difference. I reckon there will be a difference. Do I still look handsome? So, overall, fairly happy with what I've got. I just gotta be careful to not break the plasticky bits. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a great investment. So now, hopefully, from now on, all the self-tapes and video... That's a train. Yeah. Are you done? No, you're not. Okay, so hopefully for future self-tapes and videos, if I do make any more of these kind of stuff, I'll have better lighting and therefore better quality video. Oh. There we go. That's the end of the video. I don't know how to say goodbye on this platform. Farewell. Hit that subscribe, like button if you want. I don't know, it's a free country. Up to you, really. Alright, I'm gonna go.